Right, question 5, reciprocal graphs. Now this is one where we should all get full marks, because if you just whack that into the calculator, it's going to do all the work for you. Now if, like me, you've been a fool and left your calculator somewhere else, you're going to have to work it out this way. First of all, we know it's a reciprocal graph, and all reciprocal graphs, basically the graph of y equals 1 over x, or 4 over x for that matter, would look like that and like that, having asymptotes at y equals 0, the x-axis, and the y-axis at the line x equals 0. Now that's just going to get changed a little here, and the first thing to consider is what value of x could you not put in here and get a real answer? And that is 6, because 6 takes 6 is 0, you can't divide by 0. So we know that the x on the y-axis, the line x equals 0 is going to have shifted across to where x equals 6. So we're going to have an asymptote through there. And you get a mark for labelling it asymptote, so x equals 6. Asymptote. Now the other one would normally be where the x-axis, where y equals 0, but because after the function we are adding 5, that's going to transform the whole graph up 5. So if we put that going across there, asymptote y equals 5. So that's going through where y equals 5. Then our graph is basically going to look like it was going to look before. And this bit here, the positive values that have been transformed up to there, never going to touch any of the axes. This one is going to touch in 2 places. Now you can use your G-solve on your calculator and get full marks, or else you're thinking, well, the y-axis is where x equals 0. So we're looking for y equaling 4 over 0 minus 6 plus 5. Well, that's 2/3, isn't it? So 5 take 2/3 is 4 1/3, or they'd probably like to see, 4 1/3, or that would be 3 4s 12, 13 over 3, wouldn't it? But yeah, 0, 13 over 3. And you do need to label these points. They do let you off if you just clearly mark the position on the axis there as being 13 over 3, like I've done there for that 5. But you really want to make sure, in case you get a pedant of a marker. And then this point here is going to be what value of x when your y value is 0, because your y-axis, your x-axis is the line y equals 0, isn't it? So if we're putting, so now we're saying 0 equals 4 over x minus 6 plus 5. So I start by multiplying everything by x minus 6, gets me 0 equals 4 plus 5 brackets x minus 6. Expand my bracket, and then that's going to make minus 26. Add that to the other side. 5x is going to equal 26. So x is 26 over 5, which is 5.2. Actually, they use 26 over 5 in the mark scheme, but if you've got 5.20 there, that is then full marks. So you get 5 marks. You get 1 mark for the basic shape of the graph. You get 2nd mark for one asymptote, 3rd mark for another asymptote, a 4th mark for that point, a 5th mark for that point.